Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a new paneer recipe which is very easy to make, so let's check the ingredients first. You will need ghee 3 tablespoons, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, about 3 to 4 chilies, 500 gram of paneer, half teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, about chili 1 to 2 teaspoon grated coconut, chili powder 1 teaspoon, and then we'll need sesame paste. You have to roast them and make a paste of it, about 3 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, half of capsicum sliced, and a cup of water, and at the end a little bit of coriander leaves. Let's take a look at the recipe now. So I'm going to heat a pan and then add the ghee in it and let it heat up a little. And once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add the onions to the pan. Next, I'm going to add the chili. So here I'm adding just 1 chili. You can do so as per your requirement. I'm going to add a few more later on. And then I'll add the paneer and mix everything well. Next, I'll add the turmeric powder and salt. And then I'm going to stir it well so that everything is coated well. And then I'm going to add some grated coconut that I had made before. You can also skip this step if you don't have grated coconut. And then I'll add the red chili powder. Even this is optional. If you don't like spicy things, you can totally skip it or add just a little bit of it. And now I'm going to add the sesame paste or til ka paste, and then I'm going to mix it properly. And now I'm going to add the tomato paste and mix everything well, and then I'm going to let it fry for a bit before adding the water. And now I'm adding some capsicum for some added flavor and that amazing aroma of capsicum that it has. I always add capsicum at the end before turning the gas off so that it gives you the nice smell of capsicum. And now I'm going to add the water and let it sit for a couple of minutes and then cover it with a lid so that it comes to a boil. After some time, when you see things are boiling, you can take off the lid and you can see that the water has reduced, and I'm going to stir it properly now. And then I'm going to add few more chilies because me and my family like it a little spicy. And then at the end I'm going to add the coriander and mix everything properly. So you can see the water has reduced completely and it's become a little dry gravy side. And yeah, there you have it. Enjoy and let me know in the comments down below if you liked it and how was it. Thank you for watching.